Thank you for your words. Yeah, it was a tournament very difficult. We know that in the last season, Arema don't make a very good season. So in the beginning, we need to recover the confidence of the players and of the guys that work in the Arema club. And after that, after this confidence, after we speak a lot about our team, the quality of our team, that they must believe about the quality that you have, and of course with a good organization. We arrive in the tournament, and game by game, game after game, we start to give more confidence, and till this last game that was of course very difficult against this strong team, and in the final, I think, and I have sure that we deserve to win. Of course, respecting all the other teams, but